In this video, we're going to focus on the alignment of the text within the table. And basically, this has two options, and we already discussed them before, so we're going through them quickly. However, just remember that you can use these also in your table settings. So these properties are, first of all, let's put in here the text align property. This basically is the horizontal alignment, where we have the left, which is the default, we have the center, put it in the center here, we'll move it to the center, and we have the right, we do that one, and justified, but justified will probably not be used commonly here for the table. And let's give this width here. I'm going to give the table a proper width, which is 100%, so do have full width here, there you are. All right. So what we also have is, for example, so you can see here, this is the text alignment is what we call the horizontal, just think about the sun, the horizon or horizon. So the horizontal alignment. However, we also have what we call the vertical alignment, and that is the another property. Let me check what's that property to be sure. And that is of course the vertical alignment. Sorry, I just lost my the word, but it's the vertical alignment. And the vertical alignment basically the top. Let's save this, but I want to make sure that we have a height of 50 pixels. So we save that, refresh. Then we have a 50 pixels. You can see here now we have some more space. And now let's top center, or sorry, not center, but middle, because now we're going in the middle of the item. So you can see here now, and this would be, if you do this, center, basically this is the center of the center. So in the middle and center. And finally, what we have here as well is the bottom, and it could be right, bottom right. Save that, there you are. So we are repositioning everything. Will you use most of this? Probably, most likely, you will be using the vertical alignment and text alignment in the center position. That is the most desired if you have a fixed height. If your height is just dependent on what the text is, as in here, then you don't need to have a vertical alignment by default, because it will be a default set on whatever it is right there. And this could be the most commonly center. That's my personal settings that I use most of the time as well. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you subscribe to my channel, and if you have any questions regarding this, make sure you put them in the comment section. I'll get back to you. And if you enjoyed this video, check out the next video here. You will probably enjoy this as well.